Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kingsley Chukwu Hair by Kings. Please subscribe, put your comments down the comment section, ask your questions, I'll get back to you. I'll answer every single question one by one to the best of my knowledge, and I know you will understand. So today we are working, or we want to achieve an Edo bridal look. Part the whole hair. First of all, part the whole hair, divided into two. One should go round her hair skull, and then the remaining one at the middle, just hold it down with the rubber band. Then the one you parted out, just comb it through. Make sure that the hair is properly combed out. Now start your weaving from the back. Weave from the back straight to the back again. That's weave from the back to the front and then to the back again, where the weaving started. That's where it's gonna stop. After which you're going to use your thread and tie the hair to make the bride's face come out properly, and then complete the weaving round. Do enjoy. Comb the hair through, comb it through, then get the thread as I said. Comb the hair through, make sure everything is properly arranged and aligned. Get the thread and then tie it. Yes, just to bring out the model's face. Not too tight that it becomes unbearable, no, but just in a way that she's comfortable with the tying, and then her face is out and fine. Through Weave through the hair. Use your needle and thread. Sew down the part of the hair that is left over. Sew it down. Today I'm working with expression with one Daniela. Expression Daniela. Yes, just sew it round. As you can see what I'm doing. Sew the hair extension round. I just did here is that I just showed you that the weave-on has a front and back. So the back of the weave-on is the place that went inside. That this place I just touched now is the back. While the other place that come out is the front of the weave-on. So you don't sew with the back, you sew with the front. Just sew with the front, so that at the end of the day you have a very neat job. Because if you sew with the back, if you pack it up, you have some rough edges at the down part. But if you sew with the front, if you pack it up, the hair will be very smooth. I'm working with a bun, so this bun I don't want to use it as round as it is. I have to like open it up properly and do it to my desired shape and form. Just keep watching, you will understand. And see here, I'm using 2 buns for it. Just keep watching. Use your bubble pin and a rubber band. Clip it down, tie at the end, at the edge of that packing you did. Then use scissors and trim out those hair strands that came out. Like it came out this small due to you used the back of the weave on. Had they even used the front, the other way around, like I said before, it will be much. Use your got to be spray it on the hair to hold it down. Ask a hair wax and then split gel, which I'm going to apply on her own natural hair to hold it down too. As you're applying, as you're applying the wax, apply the split gel too. Because if you apply only the wax, the hair at the end of the day will start it will have white particles, which won't look nice. It won't give you a neat job. So as you're applying the wax to hold the hair down, apply the spray gel to make it stronger and prevent it from having white particles. I use the styling mousse to do the baby hairs in front. I applied gorilla glue on the baby hairs to make it last longer. On the remaining bond from the two we used, that's the little one that is remaining. I had to attach it there and use the hair extension to cover it up before I start beading. I call it the invisible net. So these are invisible net. You can buy it from any wig store online, or any wig store near your area or environment. You can even order online for it. I just use the invisible net to secure the little bun on top, not to spoil. Now we are she's properly dressed and made and fully made up. So we've entered the next stage, which is called the beading process. Watch, I started the beading from the back, exactly where my weaving started, and then I'm tying it two. I'm tying it two because the bead is long, so I'm tying it two to help me cover and achieve the luxury look I'm trying to create. So I started covering her hairlines. That's the natural hair where we applied wax and spray gel on. I covered it first before I now get to the body of the bun. You can see the processes, and we're already getting there. We're very close. Now, this particular one, you sew it down with thread. Most of the times, I prefer sewing down with thread. Just watch what I'm doing, you'll understand. Hold it for me to be able to like place it in the center. You can sew it on the bead, or use the thread and needle to sew it on the bone. Either ways, just a way you can make it stand strong and firm, last for a while. The second beading is for the upper region of the hair. Just watch what I'm doing. You'll understand. Give a little space. Move it towards the upper part of the hair, or the upper region of the hair. Just be going round and round and round. And don't let it be loose. Make it tight. Because if it is loose, it won't be arranged like this. Finally, we are here. What do you think about the look? Let us know what your thoughts are on the comment section. Tell us, ask questions. I will definitely answer you. Just tell us what you need. Ask us questions on the comment section. Subscribe. If possible, share the link for your friends to subscribe to. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, please.